Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Joe.
And me, Shruts.
And today we have another
And before
Joe.
we begin, wait, before we begin, I love that you're wearing color today. I love that you're wearing green. I think usually always in such muted colors that it's such a pleasure to see you in like color.
I know. I thought I should bring out the colors from my closet because my go-to is black. I love black. It's my favorite. So black or white. I'm just like I can't stop wearing those all the time. And I always say that I'll stop wearing black the day they make a darker color. But I know, and it's been a problem forever because my best friend back in college days, she used to tell me, she's like, stop wearing black, add some color to your life. So I have all the colors, I just don't wear them. I decided today, but thank you.
Yay. Nice. Now tell me about the other Joe.
Yeah, the other Joe is Jonita Gandhi, who's always been a favorite, and she has teamed up with my other favorite, who I've been waiting to hear from for a while. It's Mickey Singh, and I think the last time he dropped something was a series of 3 or 4 videos and song, which was like a ongoing story. But that was a while ago, and I don't think I've heard anything new from him. So I was like, maybe he's working on stuff during the lockdown. I'm sure probably. And now the first one has been dropped, and maybe more will be dropping in the near future. But these two I've always been a fan of, like right from back in the day when they both started on YouTube. Mickey's like, I think one of the first ones was before Mixtape. Even he did Bad Girl with Wasim Stark. I think from those days I've been playing his music on the radio. So it's just been.
A feel. Yeah, once you start listening to him, it's you can't.
Yeah, so that's that. And then Jonita is one of those breakthrough YouTube artists who then just, there's no holding her back because she's so talented, and her singing she's got such a strong hold on her skill. I mean, she toured with A.R. Rahman and I think even Sonu Nigam, if I'm not mistaken. And so it wasn't very difficult to see how talented she is. Everybody just saw it immediately, and she's come a long way. She's like a huge name now in the music industry. So full props to both of them, and I'm very excited and happy they collabed. So let's get to this.
Yes, ready.
Chalo, let's do it. Oh, actually, I have a photo with Jonita. She's very cute because I was we met on the red carpet of these awards, and I had this walkie-talkie thing in my ear, and she's like, listen, you have to tell me where to go. I'm gonna hold on to you. And she was very cute about it. And then I was taking her from like one interview to the next and stuff. So if I find that picture, I'll post it.
Share. Yes, post it.
I'll put it up. But let's get to the song now. Chalo. It's called Na Na.
Na Na. Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
तो है ही तो उतो लंडड़े लाहौर मरदा नखरा हाई क्यों तेनू पुछणे तो दिल डरदा नी तू नाच नाच बालदी फ्लेम नी मुंडे पटना है बिल्लो तेरी गेम नी आज डालरां दी कर दूंगा रेन नी आजू ना फ्लड बल्लिए आ गई है पसंद सोनिए पक्की राय रंग सोनिए एवें ना तू संग सोनिए दिल मेरा मंग सोनिए हो जे तू जख्मी ते मुंडा नेरा कह देनी ना 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 हो नित्ती अल्लड़ा दे सीने करे पैरनी ना 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 ओ नखरा दी कटनी चक्करां च पाया तू जटनी तेरे पिछे बट लिया सारा शहर नी ना 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 हाय वे डंग मार के दिल सूली उते टंग रखिया मन हार वे ओ मैं ता थोड़ी तेरे लेवल दी ना हाय वे डंग मार के ओ दिल सूली उते टंग रखिया मन हार वे ओ मैं ता थोड़ी तेरे लेवल दी ना नी यारी साडी कैम नी स्टार तो इसी मुंडियां तो खाई जावे खार क्यों जिन्ना जेब विच तेरे उत्ते वार दूं देसी दारू वाली बड़ी फिरे बार तू वे मैं कर दिया डांस के बिना चांस लक नु हिलावा वे तू पीछे मेरे प्लान्स ओ चेक इट आउट ना कर मैनू सोनिया जिन्नू बनना नहीं अज मेरा मैन आ गई है पसंद सोनिए पक्की राय रंग सोनिए एवें ना तू संग सोनिए दिल मेरा मंग सोनिए spicy. Janna meri vakhri hai to they don't make them like me no more. And Nana to bane bill feisty. Never find another one like me. Rinde anu chade anasha. Daru di main band botla. Je aagi main pasand soneya. Kare tak kyun tang soneya. Evi na tu sang soneya. Dil mera mang soneya. Ho je tu jag mein te munda nera karni. Na 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 na. Ho niti allada mein sine kare parni. Na 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 na. Oh nakhra bhi katni. Chakkra ch paaya hai tu jatni. Tere piche baat liya sara shahr ne. Na 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 na. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Tree Nikki Singh, Jonita, Jonita.
मतलब इस गाने का जो एटीट्यूड लेवल है ना वो यहाँ है यहाँ like it's like she is looking Jonita is looking so good like wow
Dude, I always knew she's a good dancer because she's posted stuff and like she's danced at her brother's wedding and she's put all that stuff. So I know she does all these reels as well. So I know she's a good like she's got rhythm and she dances well. But this is the first time I'm seeing her full like out and out in a video like fully styled up
what if
and
somebody can
doing a choreography.
look like that, sing like that, dance like that. मतलब बचा क्या फिर? Like,
this is why, and like I think I've discussed this with Maddie or other friends in my team before when I was in radio, that she is an all-rounder because she looks good. She freaking can sing any kind of song. She can do a classical song with like the most complicated,
like
harkats and things, and she can do stuff like this like a boss, like you said, and it's just it's always just a treat. So I'm just like blown away. You can't take your eyes off her in this video. You just can't. She's got the presence. She's got the look. The styling is on point. My God, her outfits are so good. Her hair, her make, like everything, the whole look, and not then just all that stuff. The voice, of course, the attitude in the voice, the lines that she's singing, and it's also about your face expressions and your the way you look at the camera at the end of the day.
Correct. How you play with the camera. Yeah. Very nice.
Got it down pat. It's a banger,
Mickey
man.
was really good, but
Mickey's being Mickey,
like she just sweeps the entire.
Oh God, so good.
Like she was
because the second the song started and she entered, I'm like, damn, she's looking good. And then right, and then Mickey starts singing, and you're like, oh, he's in his zone. This is what he does best, and he's doing it, and I'm loving it. Like right from the first day, I'm just like. Yeah. So it's a banger through and through for sure. And this really took me into that zone where, when I would be prepping for my show every day and I'd hear a brand new drop and I'd be like, oh my God, I can't wait to get on air today and play this song, for the listeners. So this is one of those songs, like I would be dying to put it into the database and just playing it first on
I just see the reaction as to how people are receiving it and are they loving it as much as we are.
Because I would be dancing in the studio
correct. Me also.
I mean that's
the one amazing added benefit of a on-air studio in a proper radio station. First of all, the music, like, you're playing it live. So that live show going on. And then really, really, really good studio level equipment. So when you put it on loud, and best part, bahar tak to awaaz jayegi nahi because sound studio. So it's like, it's the best. It's that best feeling. Yeah. To like totally feel it and enjoy it.
So that, I was missing that with this. So I was like, I was in a studio right now. I would just put this on air immediately. So loved it. I mean, what to say? It's such a good song. It's like... It's a winner.
Amazing.
From start to finish.
This is going to be going on, I think, for a while. कुछ गाने ऐसे आते हैं, the moment they come, कि ये party zones में, agar even just to get enthu, like, it's one of those songs I can listen endlessly for a really long time. And I know it's not just going to be, abhi suna, then bore okay, after some time, you just put it back. No. There's going to be one of those that whenever you need a mood uplifter, the song will be there. Very nice song. I like it. Love.
This is I have to just say, this is in the Mickey's own vibe. Like every time he drops a track, you're just like, oh, this is so good. It goes on loop for days. And this is completely in that zone. One sec. I just want to see who's on the DJ. DJ Lian and Mickey Singh. Lyrics, Mickey Singh, Charanpreet Singh, Jay Skilly, and Jonita Gandhi. Oh, okay. But I want to say in this song, Jonita's just like, she's stolen every frame. So good. I can't stress on this enough. She is such an all-rounder. And I really like, now I feel like, I don't know, Jonita, if you're ever going to watch this, but I really feel like you need to cut your own album now. Because
high time.
There'll be such like the variation. I can just imagine in my head the kind of different sounds and styles and even genres that will come through in an album from someone like her. It'll be such a treat. So I would love to see her cut her own album and obviously have collabs in there and whatever else. But as an artist, I feel like there's a lot of playback singing she's done. There's obviously a lot of live performing and, you know, gigs across the country and around the world that she's done. But we're yet to sort of see a standalone thing from her. She's done a lot of singles as well for like different labels and channels and things like that.
Yeah.
But I would love to see her cut her own album. It'll be such a treat. So that being said, Treehouse, Mickey Singh, Jonita Gandhi. Oh, love it. Now I want to get back on air and play this for the public. That's what I want to do. So what else? Anything else you want to add?
Nothing. Just enjoy the song and just feel it. And like, thank you. Like I said already, like, thank you for requesting this song, because ye wala gana sooner or later aa jata. But thank you for, like, you know, putting it on that fast circuit and just like playing it. So like, just super.
You know what I'm thinking, like my parting thought would be the other big like hit of last year that I went a little nuts playing on loop was Tingo with Arjun and Mickey Singh. And I know that Arjun and Jonita have also collabed in the past. I think they did that Mohit Chauhan song, na ki Tujhe Bhula Diya, I think is what they did. So now parting thought, Arjun, Mickey and Jonita, come on, we need a track for the three of you together.
And this song, I think already you're going to be listening to a lot of it. Like how last year you were tripping on that. I think this song totally has the vibe that, you know, it can easily make you trip on it for a long time. So
I am. I'm actually going back on air in September. I took a couple of months break from my radio show. So I think this is the first song I'll play.
Wah, too much.
Love it. So yeah, thank you guys for recommending and DMing me about this one. Check out Miss Bhola's website. It is linked in the description below. All her work is on there. And take care of yourselves. Keep vibing to this song and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Bye.